Hello dear students, today is 26th of April 2021 and the day is Monday. This video is for class 4 subject English Literature.
Chapter 2 and the topic is The Trickster Tricked. This is a story of how Terrapin the turtle outwitted Trickster the rabbit. Here, Terrapin is the name of a turtle and Trickster is the name of a rabbit. So students, in this story we will read about how Terrapin defeated Trickster the rabbit. Let's get started. One morning, Rabbit and Turtle Terrapin met near a small narrow river. It was a lovely clear day. Both of them lay in the pleasant warmth of sunshine and exchanged some stories. Rabbit started talking with too much pride that he was the fastest runner in the world. But Terrapin was not taking any of that. Terrapin, the turtle, said to Rabbit that he bet he can beat Rabbit in a race. After hearing this, Rabbit laughed at his idea. Because Rabbit knew that turtle can only crawl. Then Rabbit said to him that he crawled very slowly, so how can he beat Rabbit? Terrapin decided that he will only win the race. He suggested Rabbit to meet tomorrow morning near a small narrow river. Turtle said that he will wear a white feather on his head so that Rabbit can see him in the tall grass. They decided to run over 4 hills, and the first one who reached at the top of the hill will be the winner. Turtle was in a bind now. He knew that he could not run faster than Rabbit, so he made a plan and told his family that their honor was at risk. So they all have to help him. When his family heard about the race, they agreed to help Terrapin. He gave each of his family members a white feather and placed them at various places along the route of the race. The first turtle was at the top of the first hill. The second one was near the valley, and the third one was at the top of the second hill, and so on. And Terrapin was on the top of the fourth hill, next to the winner's point. The next morning, Rabbit reached near the small river, and Terrapin was already there at the starting line with his white feather. Rabbit started a race. He ran up the first hill, and Terrapin with his white feather started crawling behind him. As soon as Rabbit was out of his sight, Terrapin disappeared into the bushes so that Rabbit could not see him. As Rabbit reached the top of the first hill, he saw that Terrapin was crawling as fast as it could go down into the valley. Rabbit was amazed. He thought that how is it possible? Then he ran at top speed and passed the Terrapin. As soon as Rabbit was out of his sight, the second turtle disappeared into the bushes. When Rabbit reached the valley floor, he saw that again Terrapin was there ahead of him, crawling up the second hill. Rabbit ran as fast as he could and leaving Turtle far behind him. But every time he found Terrapin ahead of him with white feather, crawling as fast as he could go. Rabbit was taking a quick deep breath with his open mouth when he reached the bottom of the third valley. He thought that he had passed Terrapin again at the top of the third hill, But suddenly he saw that Terrapin was crawling as fast as he could go up the slope of the hill. Rabbit made up his mind firmly to win the race, so he plucked up the last few ounces of his strength and ran a short distance very fast, passing Terrapin. Rabbit rounded the last corner and stopped very surprisingly. He saw that Terrapin was sitting at the end point, waving his white feather. Terrapin had won the race. So students, moral of this story is we should not underestimate anyone and never boast. Now I will summarize this story in Hindi also. यह कहानी एक टेरेपिन नामक कछुआ और ट्रिक्स्टर नामक खरगोश पर आधारित है। इस कहानी में हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे एक कछुआ खरगोश को अपनी बुद्धिमानी से हरा देता है। एक दिन कछुआ और खरगोश एक छोटे से नदी के किनारे लेटे थे और बातें कर रहे थे। तभी खरगोश ने घमंड करते हुए कहा कि वह दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा धावक है, उससे दौड़ में कोई जीत नहीं सकता है। यह सुनकर कछुए ने शर्त लगाई कि यदि ऐसी बात है तो हम दोनों में एक दौड़ हो जाए और यह निश्चय है कि दौड़ मैं ही जीतूंगा। कछुए की यह बात सुनकर खरगोश हंसने लगा और कहा कि तुम तो केवल धीरे धीरे चलते हो, तुम कभी भी मुझे हरा नहीं सकते। कछुए ने निश्चय किया कि दौड़ वही जीतेगा। उसने खरगोश से कहा कि अगले दिन सुबह हम दोनों इसी जगह पर मिलते हैं और बोला कि वह एक सफेद रंग का पंख अपने सिर पर लगाए रखेगा जिससे कि खरगोश उसे लंबी झाड़ियों में भी देख सके। उन्होंने निश्चय किया कि वे दोनों 4 पहाड़ियों पर दौड़ेंगे और दोनों में से जो भी उस पहाड़ी के शिखर तक पहले पहुंचेगा वह विजेता होगा। कछुआ जानता था कि वह खरगोश से तेज नहीं दौड़ सकता है। उसने एक योजना बनाई और अपने परिवार के एक एक सदस्य को सफेद रंग का पंख देकर एक एक जगह पर खड़ा कर दिया जो रास्ता उस पहाड़ी के शिखर तक पहुंचता था, और स्वयं टेरेपिन पहाड़ी के शिखर के पास खड़ा हो जाता है। अगले दिन दौड़ शुरू होती है और जैसे जैसे खरगोश दौड़कर पहली पहाड़ी तक पहुंचता है तो देखता है कि कछुआ सफेद पंख लिए उसके पीछे पीछे आ रहा है, और जब खरगोश कछुए की नजर से थोड़ा दूर हो जाता है तब वो कछुआ झाड़ियों के पीछे छिप जाता था। खरगोश अपनी दौड़ने की गति बढ़ा देता है और जब थोड़ी दूर पहुंचकर देखता है कि फिर से कछुआ उस तक पहुंच गया। ऐसा करते करते वह पहाड़ी के शिखर तक पहुंचता है और आश्चर्यचकित रह जाता है क्योंकि टेरेपिन कछुआ वहां पहले से ही पहुंचा हुआ रहता है और अपने सफेद पंख को लहराता है। अंत में कछुआ दौड़ जीत जाता है। इस कहानी से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें कभी भी किसी को कम नहीं आंकना चाहिए और न ही कभी स्वयं पर घमंड करना चाहिए। Now we will see some word meanings and their use in sentences. First is basked. B-A-S-K-E-D, basked means to lie in the pleasant warmth of sunshine. To lie in the pleasant warmth of sunshine. Here lie means letna. They basked in the warm sunshine. Next, swapped means to exchange. They swapped some stories. Next, stake means risk. Their honor was at stake. Amazed means filled with surprise. They were amazed to see him. Appearing means coming in sight. That turtle was appearing on the race track. Astonished means surprise. They were astonished at her command of language. They were astonished at her command of language. Determined means made up his mind firmly. Rabbit was determined to win the race. Sprinted means ran at top speed. Rabbit sprinted up the hill. Rascally means mischievously. Rabbit saw that rascally turtle on the racetrack. First is make sentences with crawl, stake, astonishment and feather. Crawl, stake, astonishment and feather.
So students, your homework is you have to do word meanings and make sentences in your English literature notebook in good handwriting. Thank you.